Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll be creating wallpaper on the Mimaki UCJV300 series printer. For this application, we'll be using Mimaki LUS200 inks on printable wallpaper. We start by loading the media onto the printer utilizing the take-up. The take-up bar helps maintain constant tension to ensure stable printing on our material. Then we'll load our prepared graphic into Rasterlink. With advanced color controls and material settings, the software ensures our file is optimized for our finished product. The UCJV and Rasterlink create consistent color and quality, ensuring that our wallpaper panels match for perfect murals and repeat patterns sure to enhance any room. With a few simple clicks, our file is ready to print. Outstanding! For more information on the UCJV300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.